Hello everybody, welcome back to Her Impact with another episode. And today, since in the news is almost epidemic virus that we see spreading from China and Europe and going all the way to America, I thought we should actually talk about how we can actually monitor in the case of epidemic. And yes, it's the information the countries give are very important. But to monitor epidemic, there's only one way that is actually very efficient, and is actually called maps. So when you map the diseases, the outbreaks, the spreading, you can actually see it on a map, and that's why we use in epidemics, in diseases, population, and so on. We use GIS, the Geographical Information System. Now, why we use so much in epidemics to monitor and just see how the disease is spreading is because you can have more information which overlay, so you can actually understand what causes this epidemic. For instance, if you have a disease spreading because of the groundwater is polluted, then you can have the epidemic as a shapefile as one of the layers of the GIS. The outbreaks of the diseases, the patients they occur relevant to their residence, where they live, and then you can have the water storage, the water supplies, let's say. And if you see a tendency of people getting sick because of the same water supply, you understand that maybe water is the problem for that disease. So that applies every environmental cause like air, water, again, food, depending on the supply of food, and maybe an industry nearby that affects the local community, or I don't know, plastics in the ocean, from local to global impact. That's why GIS, Geographical Information System, is really used in many cases to monitor epidemics, because we can actually find causes, find how it's spreading related to geographical factors, related to the space, let's say. How is this disease is spreading in the space, but also in time. So if you have the data through time, how that changes and how the disease is progress and the epidemic is progress in a way. So that's how we can actually monitor an epidemic by using GIS. Thank you for being with me again with another episode. Make knowledge your superpower, or make science your superpower, your choice. And I'll see you next time with another episode.